Hi, I'm Craig the Pool Man with Pool Specialist. Today we have a short video for you on how to set up your I-Aqualink. This is also useful if you happen to change your Wi-Fi and you need to resync your I-Aqualink. So without any further delay, let's get to the video. When looking for the antenna number, what you will do is you will turn it to the side that has the antenna, and you will notice the number on the antenna. Write that number down because that's what you're going to be entering in on your phone, tablet, or computer to identify this device. If your antenna was previously connected, you're going to have to remove the screws out of the front of the box. Take the cover off. Please note that the rubber gasket stays on. And you'll see a switch right in the center. That switch needs to be pushed over to the wired direction and give it a couple seconds and then push it back to the Wi-Fi direction. That will then reset it so that you can connect it to a new Wi-Fi. If you don't already have the app on your phone, you'll need to go to the App Store. And then you're going to go to search on I-Aqualink. It should come right up. Of course, you get this bogus ad that pops up first. Go past that. And this is the correct app. So because it's already loaded on my phone, I do not have to get it. I just have to open it. But of course, if you haven't loaded on your phone, you'll need to get it. Once it has loaded, you will then open it. It will open up like this. If you do not have an account, you'll have to sign up for an account where you simply put in your username, which is an email, and then also the password. I already have an account.
We're going to log in.
Now that we're logged in, you do not see this. I do have an existing one there, but at least we know that our app is functional. At that point, we're going to come over to our settings, and we are going to look for it as a Wi-Fi. And you can see right here that you have the I-Aqualink Wi-Fi set up right here. Click into it. It will open up a login page. Once you get to the login page, it will give you the options of the Wi-Fi. Of course, the Wi-Fi that you're using for your house is what you want to choose. And then you will need to put in the password. Once it connects, it'll bring you back to this page, and it will put you back on the Wi-Fi that you had previously assigned. At this point, we're going to open up the I-Aqualink app. We're going to add a system. In this case, it's an IQ20. It wants us to put in the device number, which you will get off of the side of the antenna. Once you've got your antenna number in, you need to name it. Typically people call it, Craig's Pool or whatever their name is in pool. This one we're just going to label test. It will connect it up. We can see our test pool here. Now we come into our test pool and we have the options to turn all our equipment on and off. It'll come up here. Your additional devices will show up here. On home, just turns your filter pump and spa and heater, your pool heater. There are instructions on I-Aqualink on the Jandy website. That concludes our video on the I-Aqualink. I hope it was helpful and I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a great day.